Hey everyone, welcome rank on AI review and live demo video. If you noticed that people are using ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini and Perplexity instead of Google to find product, service and businesses, then this review is going to be extremely important for you. Today I am reviewing Rank on AI, a brand new AI visibility platform that's designed to help your website get maintained inside AI generated answer. But is it actually worth it? Let's find out. What is Rank on AI? Rank on AI is a cloud-based software that helps website owners optimize their website for AI search engines. Instead of focusing only on traditional SEO, Rank on AI focus on something called GEO, which stands for Generative Engine Optimization. In simple terms, GEO helps AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Perplexity, and Copilot understand, trust, and potentially recommend your website when users ask questions related to your business. The goal is simple. When someone asks AI for the best solution in your niche, Rank on AI helps increase the chance that your website becomes part of the answers. Why was Rank on AI created? The online search landscape is changing fast. More people are asking AI assistant for recommendation instead of browsing Google search result. The problem: most websites will build a traditional SEO, not AI powered search. Even website ranking on Google can be completely visible inside AI generated answers. That's exactly the gap Rank on AI is designed to solve. It helps website owners identify what's prevent AI engine from understanding their content and provides actionable fixes. How does Rank on AI works? The process is surprisingly simple. Step 1, you enter your website URL. Step 2, Rank on AI scan your site and generate a GEO score, which measure how AI friendly your website is. Step 3, the software performs a complete 7-pillar GEO audit, analyze things like schema markup, FAQ structure, answer capsules, adding optimization, AI bot access, Elms text configuration, content quality signals. Step 4, it then provides recommendation and AI powered content rewrite design to make your page easier for AI system to understand and quote. The platform also includes AI visibility tracking, content gap analysis, AI vs Google keyword research, competitor benchmarking, scheme generator, WordPress integration, agency feature for clients' work. Everything is managed through one dashboard. What I like about Rank on AI: first, it's beginner friendly. You don't need coding skill or technical SEO experience. Second, the GEO score gives you a clear benchmark for improvement. Third, the AI content optimization tool can save a hug amount of time. Fourth, the pricing is surprisingly affordable compared to hiring SEO agency or consultants. And finally, it's work with virtual and any website. What could be better? To keep this review honest, Rank on AI isn't a magic button. Getting seated by AI platform still depends on your niche, content quality, competition and website authority. Also, AI search optimization is still a relatively new field, so long-term result may vary from website to website. Final verdict: if you are serious about stay ahead of the shift from traditional search to AI powered search, Rank on AI is definitely worth a look. For a low one-time price, you get tools that would normally require multiple subscription and service. I especially like that it focused on AI visibility instead of only traditional SEO. If your business depends on online traffic, This could be one of the smartest investment you'll make this year. Exclusive bonuses. And if you grab Rank on AI through the link in the description, you will also get access to these valuable bonuses. ChatGPT Advanced Feature Training, ChatGPT Deep Dive Bootcamp, ChatGPT Power Tools Pro, 11 Labs Masterclass on AI, YouTube AI Tools Masterclass, 1 million plus image and video prompts, 3000 plus innovative prompts ideas. These bonuses can help you get even more value from AI tools and accelerate your result. Check the first link in the description below to secure Rank on AI and claim all available bonuses before the launch discount expires. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next review. Thank you.